Congratulations on owning your first home in America.
Thank you.
When are you thinking about moving in?
Moving? No, we are planning on renting it out as a part of our investment strategy.
Guten Tag.
Excuse us, a bird has gotten into the house.
Shoo, bird. Shoo.
Wait, I can help. Waltz helps foreign investors buy property in the US, but we also provide advice on how to manage your property when you live far away.
Oh, well, please come back in.
The first step is to understand the costs of owning a property. It's not just the mortgage payments, but can include insurance, account for some yearly repairs and vacancy, homeowners association fees, mortgage interest, and other costs. Then make sure the rent you charge is higher than the ongoing costs. Cha-ching! Then find yourself a good property manager. For a small fee, they offer tenant screening, rent collection, maintenance assistance, repairs, and ensure compliance with local regulations. You'll want to make sure your property is insured as well, so that you're covered if anything happens. The US tax system is very favorable to home investors. There are incentives when it comes to property taxes, income taxes, and deductions. So finding a tax advisor who specializes in home ownership can help you get the most bang for your buck.
Bravo!
When your property value goes up, getting a refinancing cash out is a great option to consider. You can then use the cash difference between the initial mortgage value and the new one.
Oh, thank you.
Meaning you can upgrade or fix your property, or even use it to invest in other properties.
Brilliant. We've already got our eye on another property.
Be sure to keep yourself well informed about factors that can impact your property's value, such as job growth, infrastructure development, and economic stability. To put it simply, investing in American real estate and finding a good team to manage your property is one of the smartest ways to build your wealth. You'll be living the good life. Interested in hearing more?
Yeah!
Then you should check out Waltz. Waltz helps non-US residents purchase properties in the United States. Visit our website at getwaltz.com so you can learn more about real estate investing.